The things as traumatizer is Sun City. It's the food. It's the waking up in the morning. It's the stories that you hear. Mara bukhona nentombazane lehlanya ke yena angazi wabulala i-girlfriend, i-boyfriend. Hathi bamloya lapho. So uyababona labantu, uyababiza ebusuku. Uyabona izinto lezo futhi esi-traumatizayo. Uyababiza ebusuku. Nentombazane leya yona beka abuse i-boyfriend yakhe. Wow, makatshela kabu boyfriend ukuthi hayi phela umfana uyangishaya nginabantwana naye and ngiyamthanda ngiyamnakekela umntana wakhe uyangishaya akafuna ukulalela yabo make hamba umama naye uyahamba uyayomlanda. So what she did was horrible. She killed the guy and fed him to the family. Mekeceda wavula wazana khekhe walibeka phezu kwetafula mabalivula ikhekhe kanje ikhanda lomntanakhe. And then umama waphatha heart attack and then she died. So she was charged with double the murder. And she was charged, I think, 11 life sentences. And then women in jail, they get arrested due to self-defense most of the time. I was defending myself, and then monaka and then ahlokofala. So those are their defenses. And then mostly futhi it's us. Yeah, the fraudsters. Yeah. And then going and another thing. Isonto lasejele. The spirit there. Nesonto lala ekhaya. The spirit. Was fun.
Oh yeah?
No. Ejele, you really are praying. You really are praying. Like uyakhala. Uyaya esontweni every day. Mongeyanga uzizwa na ukuthi I'm incomplete, yes. Uyakhala, uyathandaza, uyacula just to get out of there. You know, you understand. Ngapha we have to wait for every Thursday ukuthi basilethele toiletry. Ngene Monday. Habakasilethele toiletry. Shuthi angagezi properly. Ngilowa nje ngigeza ngamanzi. You understand? Umuntu nensipho yakhe. Mangizohamba ngiyocela insipho komunye umuntu sengiyamkoleta. You understand? So next time when they pay me a visit, if uyabhema, kwamele ngikhiphe something. Mangiya court, kwamele ngimtshele ukuthi ngiye court bangizele nevaseline ukuthi ngimshiye nayo. You understand? So there's nothing is njengoba ngitshela ukuthi cigarettes you have to pay 10 rand for the cigarette. Yabo. And then don't trust anybody. Yabo. You would go there and then you would talk. You would say, no, mina ngabushola i-fraud in nan. And then people would think ukuthi mhlambe or maybe uthumela abantu lapho ukuthi bezobheka ukuthi khona umuntu oso yabo. So you don't have to trust anybody. Hey, bungathembi umuntu. Then comes iphathi yabo malume. Yo, abo malume. Abo malume abo laba butsisi laba abazenza abafana yabo. Ejele. Nobody tells you about them. When she'll just ask you. Mina wangitageta luckily ngaphuma with ngongenza ngalanga nix yabo. So yena bokumvenda. Uthi kimi, oh so maka yobhema uyangibiza. Yabona, ungibiza ngomkhaya ngithi masibiza ngomkhaya. So maka yobhema uyangibiza. Asambe siyobhema hayi. Usisi like akana inwele yabo. Yena mara tsingatsini tomboyish yabo. But uyayithanda uyagcoka namarogo sometimes. So all the time bekahlale offer ukudla yabo until day 3 ngajelo ngamitha a girl from White City. Wathi yay, stay away from that girl because no uyetha close so that one day she's gonna ask you for a favor and you're gonna have to repay it. What kind of a favor? I was never told. So she would ask me ukuthi ngize ngisibheme sonke until one day she asked ejele banenza umdiadia ne. So umdiadia it's angithi imbhede is a double bed. So laba maqhuzu abahlala lapho angithi bona bazenzela ispace balalale thina silalale njengama sardines bona balalale umakhathi ulala la bese lo alala lana bese lo maybe babe yi4 babe ne space yabona kube bakwazi ukuphefumula bese after laba yenza ispace uyele siyampintshana sesilile nje yabo. And then angibiza athi hayi namhlanje ngicela ukuthi sizolala sonke. Okay, cool. And then sihambe solala sonke and then we slept and then nothing happened yabo. And then eze nomntana ose-White City ngihlangana naye wathi hey yazi nomuntu wenzeni ngithi wenzeni athi nomuntu washaya umuntu 7 bullets. Yes. 7 bullets was nomuntu lo washa nomfana umkhumula impahla wala komshaya wamthatha wamfake emgodini qeda umdula like wamround kanje amdubula. Na imake uyasho ukuthi mina ngiboshiwe mina so angina ne stress mina la kusekhaya mina ngiboshiwe and kune video. Problem ukuthi usithathile isibhamu wasilahla but there's a video that shows la and the show of amdula. So
ubani ushuthi video le
like ngiyabona ama incident anokwenzakala bese kushuthwa ivideo naye akazi ukuthi ishuthwa ubani yabona. So yavela ivideo wonke umuntu mase kayisendelwe so akasena choice ukuthi uzophika. So vela wathi ngimdubulile. I was trying to defend myself but you can't dubula umuntu akangagcokanga anu. So yeah ngimshiye ase trialini lo ntombazana le. Then wathi dangerous umntana lona uyenza girlfriend yakhe kancane uyakushela and wena ubone ngithi so uyahamba nje uyalala lapho. Yo ngifonela usisi wami ngithi ngifuna umama phela 50 rand ukufona. The time ugenza call back 50 rand ugenza call back ngayenzela 50 rand 30 rand ngayenzela usisi wami i-call back make fona kumele athinge airtime 30 rand. I couldn't
call.
Yes. Mina naye washo kanjalo usisi wami ngathi mara hima ngifonaye musi. Haziphendula yami ngathi mara sisi awukho serious like really ifoni yami le. Wathi oh yeah eskonje. Athi okay uthenga ke airtime 30 rand ukufona ukuthi bakufonele 30. That Sun City is another world. Like 80 rand ukufonela usisi wakho 10 rand 50 rand is all. No, if ngithenge ugwayi angiphe 1 mele ngiphemise abantu abayi5 yazi ukuthi lo unaye uzophanda. Then for the rest of the day sengiphemise 5 I have 5 people mele bangiphemise namhlanje uyabo. Yeah. Hey. Okay sengihambile courts ne sebasiphile bail phela bathi 10,000 bail. 10,000 bail. But you didn't even have to to get to hear our story. You know, like the law of South Africa is unpredictable. You would think Gucci, they feel what you're feeling, but they're not. They are just rectifying what's theirs. Yeah, well. Then they gave us 10,000 rand bail. Then we had to go back. Yeah, well. But mina sengikhalele ukuthi umngani ukufanele ngabe angangikhipha. I understand. Ukufanele ngabe uyenze kahle le ndawo wathi no uphi ngaleso sikhathi. Nowhere to be found. Cabanga uphi ngaleso sikhathi. UDom uyabathuka edwini ya senemuzini manje usisi wami usejele ba abafuna ukuzwa abanandaba nami no khona haloyo akasenandaba sokuphuma igama lokuthi manje umfazi athi kusisi wami bekajola naye. That's why I wanted to do this, because I wanted to make it clear to abantu basestadini sami wonke umuntu babelieve leso story leso bekuthi usukuthi bekajola naye. Futhi mina ngisejela angazi next. Usisi ongophile ngimtshelile ukuthi uhlala phi, which was Orange Farm, ne? Ngiyazi kanjani i-address ngiyazi sokuthi semasisuku uyothatha imali mina yama 2000 wathi sihambe sidlule e-Orange Farm, then sithenge whatever besithenge, besihamba nabashana bakhe, umuntu ohamba nabantu abancane yabo. Then siya lapha sithinga utshwala, ngikubone lapha ngibone ngesikole ukuthi uhlala kunendawo eso yabo. Then ngamthatha lo mama lo ne, lo wasibopha ngamisa lapha. Lo mama lo wasithokoza ungifune i-cold drink on the day of my arrest. I'm sorry I didn't point that. Yes. Ungifune i-cold drink and mina bengenayo. Bekacabanga ukuthi iMumachuzu. Remember bekutshela ukuthi bekacabanga ukuthi iMumachuzu number 1 in this game. Ithe mangimisa ku sathola ngekho, ne? Mesibuya, ne? Athi asifonele station commander, okay ngivele ngiboshwe kanjani. Mase mangaphakathi phone athi wena why ungifakela amaphoyisa? Remember ngisile ku asimtholanga, remember? So shithi bayabuyele labo sister bamthola babamthola bathola cold drink.
So mangabafona ufonela kuphi?
Ngimenzele call back wafona ngathi hawu siphela ngiboshiwe, wathi hayi ngimtshelile ubhuti wakho angakhathazeki ngizoyenza iplan yini, ngathi angeke uzuyenza iplan. Ngiyazi ukuthi angeke uzuyenza iplan. Yenza iplan nalabo ama-Nigeria bamuphi 5000 wayidla. Waqala lapho ngambona lapho ukuthi usileke lo baba lo. Phela mina ngithengisela amapenti, ngithengisela amasokisi in the name of smoking phela. Ngale 3 days ukwayisa ubamzibo usuphelile. Ngihlele for ngene Monday ngiphume the following week on Thursday, ne. Phela marugcina sohlakaniphe, you know. Ngihlangana namakhala sihle futhi amantombazane sihle lapha yasiyachinana, bengikwazi nokuchina. Siyachinana lapha yana, siyaxoxa, okay. The foreigners, like thingithi 60% abantu ababoshiwe are foreigners.
Women.
Yes, women. They are foreigners. Indaba zama-drugs, indaba zama-prostitution, indaba zama-shoplifting. Hamba phambili yele. Shoplifting. Yabona lo washaya impahla ye 20,000. Ungishayile. 20,000 eWoolworths. In Sun City, it's shoplifting, number 1. Foreigners, number 2. Yeah. And ukulamba bro. Mawungena visit. Uyakhawatheka mina bengilapha. Phela uhle kuseni kuphela, then the rest sizodla isinko. Uzoyenzani for slide? Isapha akunasapha isapha basidla ngo6 sidla ngo7 eJungle Oats nesinko sidla ngo2 ilunch yona le not 2 12 ilunch le mili rice nan but at least abo mama bapheka ngenhliziyo yabo bese 2 o'clock it's sunset. That's your sunset. We get locked in. Yabona naleyo futhi naye bengihlanyisa ukuthi 2 o'clock bayasivalela. Bayasivalela. Muthi yaphela lapha imoto ziyahamba. Haw, nichirena baba. Yo abantu bayahamba lapha ya wena usendla bayakuvalela. Yo shaya nini 8. Kana baqeda ukuvalela manje akulaleki. That was horrible. Like Sun City is the worst place you can ever take a person to. Amanzi wakhona ahleli ngaphakathi kwegiza erusile. Ngisho ukuthi irusile because you end up having a line la. Then like ubani namashubaba, banamashubaba ebusweni, ubani dry skin. if you uyazi ukuthi mongena Vaseline or ungena Dawn gqobisa istap ne istap uyinsipho nerama so mabasiphi irama asiyidli si mix sathatha insipho siyenza melter ngamanzi bese ufaka irama bese uyamix yabo bese uyenza istap ke mugeza ufaka istap yazi usozama uzenzani ngoba ngihlela umphunga bese istap bese shaya akunamenshisi
like ngani ngokwathi
sisoboleka umenshisi sticky la sizothola khona istick sizolayita tissue bese I forgot the term ukuthi bayibiza yini bese siyahang tissue bese izolayita waya until size solala nisoloka samba solayita ngayo and then the day before ngizophuma actually the day ngaphuma phela sengihleli nomakhathi bekento kanginakekela manje sekangiwinile yabona ukuthi lokho phela next date yelona ye court it's next month 12 July from 3 June yo ithi ngibekela ngitshela ukuthi ngidlalele kude nomakhathi ne ngathi hayi mara ngeke azangenze nix yes hayi uzoba right angeke azangenze nix mara ngithukile remember lapha mama washa impahla lapha uyazineka phela uhlala phambi kwazo
ngoba
bazositshontsha so ngihleli phambi kwempahla zami ngithukile ngiyazicabanga ngithi makathi namhlanje kwenzakala phela ayenze so yo phela I can't say no I've been smoking this bit sorry I've been smoking her I've been eating her food because akadli kudla kunamafutha so ubeyapha mina lenyama yabo sihlale angitshela the way are dangerous ngakhona makhathi wabulala umuntu so when you're not gonna say no to makhathi phela mntana sekasi ufuna ukungibeka stars sengithuyena manje ngithi sengiyaplan ukuthi ngizohandle kanjani situation I hope she doesn't hurt me I hope hey kanti lelo kuzofika umuntu babiza igama lami bathi Shandukani bail 10,000 rands mama ushuthi mama ngihlanganisile azangungibona ngashiya yonke into ngashiya yonke into wena baslapi sanitary pads neusiswa mbekangiphile okay vele lezo zinto lezo ama run on yashiya ngaphakathi ushiye labantu ukuthi bazosala basebenzisa and that's how I got out and I'm not going back
before umakhathi azofcela
before umakhathi bengathi ngisave uNkulunkulu the horrible moment was the search ladies the search was like it was deep it was torture it felt like 1976 the search was torture plus nalabo mama laba correctional service mawuma bakuphathela imali mawusuphuma uyifuna bayajika bayele phinde futhi babuye phinde futhi abafuni ngayo ngathi bafuna ukusithathela yona leyo mali mawuphethe imali abafuni ngemali yakho babeyibambile ngale abafuni next uzoze bathi hayi hamba kuloya mawufika kuyathi hawu manje la sisi umeleni ngithi hayi ngifuna imali yami phela bathi hawu hayi hamba ewindow kule lapha yami mawufika kwewindow nathi hayi awiclaim la mele uhle ngathi ayiphela mina ngifuna imali yami athi phela ngifuna imali yami mina ngifuna imali so mawungena lapha ejele ne you umele umaster ama technique ay3 just listen if they say do this just do that obey and one more thing do not ask however the asking part ukuthi hey wena uboshelweni in uzokushanga impama uwelele bese mama usukhala bathi bokubuza ukuthi ushayelweni uthi hayi bangimbuza ukuthi uboshelweni bathi uthanda indaba indaba musa mbuzerani wena ukuthi uboshelweni And then most of the time, abomama njengoba ngisho isiboshela into engekho lezi zinto lezama-fraud. So there was another girl naye yena uthi uboshwe nomuntu wakhe. Now it was the same issue. Nigerians made them open an account. Babafakela imali ngaphakathi kwe-account yabo. Mara bona bayabapha uma 30,000 what. And then la Nigeria bayabanakekela abantu abafaka enkingeni sometimes. Ikhothi bayidismissile mina icase yethu bayidismisse ngenxa yokuthi bokungena evidence. So it's a long hierarchy of making money. It's me, I'm the bottom, like the last. We didn't know ukuthi imali eyethu ibuyapha until mina ngabuzisisa, like ngabuziswa ukuthi kahle le mali le ibuyaphi. They like bayayicima evidence kakhulu futhi abayicimi kancane bayayicima. So I'm really caught for the whole year, for 8 months, almost the whole year. Masiya first appearance basitshela ukuthi safuna ama investigation ye bank statement ne. Masiya futhi it's still the same thing. We went for the third time, still the investigation ye bank statement. Like a simple mere bank statement ayitholakali. A simple bank statement. You can't find a simple bank statement from a bank, a net bank. So it's like intaba yabantu abasebenzayo. So wena nje as basifakile imali, you are the bottom person. And maqeda ungena enkingeni uyi-1. Bakusave. Into bazokwenzela yona bazokuthengela ukudla abazokuthengela. But mawufika eSun City ukukhala nakho akusizi. Yakhala eSun City, khalile sonke sikhalile mina eSun City. Khalile ngahlala phansi ngakhala ngibona ngimande masiye court ngakhala sabambana sakhala abantu basimangalela ukuthi sikhalelane sakhala sikathwana chomi lakala. We are not going anywhere. No, abomama ba right. No, abasokolisi ukuthi nje bona ebusuku you won't find them. Yabo. Kuba dina masekuthontshiwe, yabo, manje masiyenza search. Yabo, abasakuningi manje kuseshwana noma ubani, kuseshwa ngayinye indlela. But hayi sibona abosasanda abananix. Masibuye court umunye umama wangipha bogwayi aba-sealed ne. Kanti uyazi ukuthi ungifake enkingeni. Uma sisifika lapha ku-search bathola bogwayi aba-sealed. Hawu ungena nabo bogwayi aba-sealed. Ngithi hayi abalo mama lo bathi next time bazokupha ama-drugs bathi ungene nawo la. Bazokupha ama-drugs bathi ungene nawo la. So
ungena nawo wena bo baphethe kuphi?
Hayi ngiphethe bogwayi no bengibafake emapokotini yabo. Emapokotini ngaphansi kwamabele yabo emabeleni ezinye ezicathulweni bengifaka amaboots nyana so ezicathulweni. So ugwayi bungena nix ukuthi nje if ever bayangipha ama-drugs I was going to be into double trouble. Bengongena enkingeni double trouble. Hectic. Hectic. Ibonda lakhona lile inyoni nje amajuba nje yabhiza yadlala ungathi ungagibeleli eli1 uphume nalo. Ibonda lakhona lile phezulu ilanga lakhona liphuma on the other side, you know. It doesn't come from the east, it comes from this side. You don't understand ukuthi ime kanjani eSun City. And wow, the traumatizing moment, I almost left it out, when there was load shedding and there were screams coming from a section yamadoda. Wow. I wonder what was happening. Like screams, like like abantu kuyamemezwa, like they kumemezwa ngakhona, but like bese sivuka ekuseni kena khala siren. Then sibuza ukuthi why khala siren. Basitshela ukuthi we are honoring a dead person. Makhala siren, we are honoring a dead person. So makhala siren should khona umuntu oshonile. Ngisho manje wayebasitshela basithomatize kangaka ukuthi khona umuntu oshonile. Wena ungavuma ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi kunomuntu oshonile endaweni eso. There is no male in the female section. No, nje uyaqeda nje if ever bakugwebile for 20 years, uzoyiqeda 20 years ungakaziboni ubuso bendoda.
Oh yeah.
Yes, uzoyiqeda unless if une visit maybe your brother or indoda yakho or someone. Then there is crashes also. Nama crash. Abantwana basejele badla kamnandi yazi. Nama crash kunama sponsor. Kunekolo i-crash yeah kunama-crash kunama-sponsor bayabapha ama-pampers mahala yabo. But otherwise the main bale it's like mangizoyenza investigation yami nge-Sun City mina, it's shaped like a spider. So it has a head. It has 4 legs this side and it has 4 legs on the other side. So the other side it's female and then the other side is male. So ama male so abona masingena kuphela because masingena drop abona bese ke sithina singenelela to the female section. Then from lapho ngeke phinde ubone ubuso bendoda. And that was another traumatizing moment ukuthi if ever ngiyagwetshwa for 210,000 shuthi bazongibopha maybe let's say 15 months.
Over a year.
Yo. But I told myself, no, you know what, it's fine. I'll just go to school. And emotionally, it has affected me, but somehow I benefited. I had lots and lots of anger before I went there. Mana manje umuntu mangikwatisa I calm down because ngizomshaya ngizombophisa and ngizobuyela. So when umuntu mangikwatisile I let them win an argument. So that's the change. But traumatizing moments ukuthi abantu baboshelweni traumatizing lento leyo. And then academically as an IT student, everywhere I'm applying, I have a pending case of fraud. So it's very hard for them to call me for... Futhi, I did even go to an interview. This woman was trusting on me. Then she sent me an email. I was like, Shandu, do you have a pending case? I was like, no, I don't have a pending case. Have you got arrested? Yes, I did get arrested, but it was a misunderstanding. But no, we see that you have a pending case, so until the pending case is over, then we'll give you a chance. Then I lost my job from just like that. And another thing, Nkwatisa, I hope you see this. Nkwatisa ukuthi he told people ukuthi lo muntu lo bekajola naye. Mina bengijolana lo malume wakhe lo uzile kuye years. Sekatshela umfazi wakhe utshela abantu ukuthi mengijolana yazi yangikwatisa lena.
Why basho njalo?
Angithi bokumuntu ukuthi bekeza nebili bodwa. Ayikho intombazana ingali ibili bodwa. Mina mengitshela ukuthi he's being nice. He's being nice. As a nebili bodwa. Mekezile white city yazobona. Mekezile white city yazobona nomfana lo. Uyabuza ukuthi ubushandu yabona. Kanti ungifuna ngithambile yabona. Bayeze bazongibiza. Ube uye futhi uthi hayi bayakubiza. Mengifika lapha ngikho drink udlile ngithi hayi angadli asengudla. It was a bribe. Mina bengazi manipulate. Uyabona ayenze ngathi uyangishela. Mara wena ngiyakuthanda yazi muhle. Umuntu omdala ngizomenzani mina umuntu ukukhehlela ingane. Bangani mama bayazi ukuthi akusi type yami izinto so. kanti umuntu uzotshela usisi wami ukuthi hayi bekajona naye akasasho ukuthi yimi ngimbizile phela ukuthi ezoyenza sona so sekuyimi manje sengisele nale ndaba le inyuku the amount of money leyo bekuyi 2000 rand ngaleso sikhathi for mina I needed it. Like to be honest, I'm missing out on a lot of things. A lot. Like, from that stupid 2000, I paid 10,000 bail from it. A court, I used to spend 200 rands to go to court. And a court, we went there more than 10 times. So how much is that? I owe Nedbank 2.8 because they put money in my account, they took it out, they never paid for it. I owe Nedbank 2.8. I can't have a job for something that I did, like I can't find a job that suits my academic, yes, my career. I just can't find a job. My academic qualification, I can't find a job. And it's been since from 2021, I'm busy looking for a job. But now, career ruined down the line. So, because now if I do anything, or since I'm hot, someone will do something under my name, and then now the investigation will be under me, and they'll be like, no, she's used to it. Let's put her to jail. So I've learned ukuthi ayikho imali ezakalula. Ayikho imali ezakalula. Imali kwamele nje uyisebenzele, ne? Not to listen to any stranger ezokutshela nge-ID yakho nokuvula ama-accounts. Like I beg to everyone out there, especially abantwana abancane under 18 and to 25 and then abomama abadala, not to open accounts to anyone ezokutshela ukuthi uzokupha imali. Yabo. And then actually I learned patience. Yeah, I learned patience. Since I'm not finding a job, this whole experiment somehow did put me to the edge of suicide. Yes, it did. Somehow it put me to the edge of suicide, but then I thought of my kids. And then outcome yakhona kusuke kwaba patient and anger. Yes, when anger. I have anger management shem. Umuntu mangikwatisa vele ngimbheke. Nomuntu wami yazi nje siyakwatisana ngivele ngimbheke. Calm down ngiphume, ngibambe iwane ebandayo, ngirelax. Yabo. Then I know, you know what? Let me just relax. Nomtanami angisabashayi nabantwana. Like say I've changed to become not ukuthi bengineanger. No, yenga bengenayo. Ukuthi nje sengifunda ukuthi I'm not gonna fight anyone no matter what. Because umuntu mangizomshaya. Remember ngiyashisa ngithi uzothi ngiyombophisa. Ngiboshwa. And mina ngeke ngize ngithi ngizokuyela ejele. I won't say that. Only the pot knows how hot the fire is. It's hot, that place. It's hot. And no woman wants to stay umuntu family yakhe or anyone. And no one wants to stay avalelekile as manje usesikolweni. You become traumatized.